Good afternoon to all. I am Mukesh Singh Bogel. I teach a subject named Dynamics of Machine. So, as you know, in the previous lecture, I teach you about governor. So today we will discuss about the types of governor. So first, I would like to explain. Yes. Today we will discuss about the types of governor. In the previous lecture, I introduced about the governor. So let's start. We have two types of governor. First is centrifugal governor and the second is inertia governor. So first, what is the centrifugal governor? So this is the diagram of centrifugal governor. When we discuss about the centrifugal governor, this is more common type. Its action depend on the change of speed. It has a pair of masses known as governor balls. In this figure, you can see we have a balls. So we can see that it has a pair of masses known as governor balls, which rotate at with a spindle. So in this diagram, you can see we have a spindle. You can see this in the green color. So we can see that it is a spindle. The spindle is driven by engine through bevel gear. The action of the governor depends upon the centrifugal effect produced by the masses of the two balls. As you know that we are discussing about the centrifugal governor. When discussing about the centrifugal governor, we can say that as the name represents centrifugal governor, so the centrifugal governor are based on the balancing of centrifugal force on the rotating balls by equal and opposite radial force known as the controlling force. It consists of two balls, as I repeat, it consists of two balls of equal mass which are attached to the arms. You can see in this figure. These balls are known as the governor ball, as I told you. So we can see that the balls revolve with a spindle which is driven by the engine through bevel gear. The upper end of the arms are provided to the spindle. You can see in this figure the upper end of the arms. You can see the in the blue color. You can see these are arms. So these arms, we can say the end of the upper arms are provided to the spindle so that the ball may rise up or fall down as they revolve about the vertical axis. The arms are connected by the link to a sleeve, which is key to the spindle. So you can see in the lower we have a links. The links is connected to the spindle, this sleeve to the spindle. So you can see the arms are connected by the links to a sleeve which is key to the spindle. This sleeve revolve with the spindle. You can see we have a sleeve. So this sleeve revolve with the spindle but can slide up and down. The ball and the sleeve rises when the spindle speed increase and falls when the speed decrease. So you can see when the balls rotate, the sleeve moves up and down. So we can see that the sleeves moves up and down means it will slide on the spindle. So in order to limit the trouble of the sleeve, we are applying the stopper SS. But in this figure, we are not mentioned about that. But you can assume that we have a limiter. The limiter is also known as the stopper, and the stopper we are provided on the spindle. So uh, it limit the movement of the sleeve. The sleeve is connected by a ball crank lever. You can see the sleeve is connected by a ball crank lever to a throttle valve. The supply of the working fluid decrease when the sleeve rise and increase within its fall. So, my dear student, when we discuss about the centrifugal governor are based on the balancing of centrifugal force on the rotating balls by equal and opposite radial force known as the controlling force. So this is about the centrifugal governor. And what is inertia governor? Why we are using inertia governor? So when we discuss about the inertia governor, in this type, the position of the balls are affected by the force set up by an angular acceleration or deceleration of the given spindle in addition to centrifugal force on the ball. Dear student, when we discuss about the NSA governor, the position of the balls are affected by the forces set up by an angular acceleration or deceleration of the given spindle in addition to centrifugal force on the balls. Using suitable linkages and springs, the change in position of the balls is made to open or close the throttle valve. So
we can say that whereas the balls are operated by the actual change of engine speed in the case of centrifugal governor, it is by the rate of change of speed in case of inertia governor. Therefore, the response of inertia governor is faster than that of a centrifugal types. So, my dear student, this is about the centrifugal governor and the inertia governor. I hope you can understand what is centrifugal governor and what is inertia governor. So, thank you very much. We will meet in a next lecture with the next topic. So, thank you very much.